Hey guys, it's me again. For today's video, I will show you how to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So first of all, we go to the top menu, the search bar. So we're gonna search for Amazon Reload. So there, I like to choose the first one, the second one, which is this one. Amazon gift card balance reload. So just pick this one. So here we can see that there's a one-time reload, the low balance auto reload, the scheduled auto reload. So just press one-time reload. You can check for the denominations, $25, $50, $100 or more. So let's say that we want 75. Once we press 75, we click buy now. Then next, here's the tricky part. Here we should add a new credit or debit card. So here we can see this one option, add a credit or debit card. So from there on, we can put our card number, the name on card, which is your name, expiration date, and the CVV, which is located at the back of your card for confirmation. Then we just press add your card. Then after like 5 to 10 minutes, Amazon will automatically reload that card. So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned new Amazon tips from me, and there are more to go. Thank you so much, guys.